Now we will understand the meaning of MNCs. When we woke up in the early morning, what we normally do? We normally check our mobile phone, and the mobile phone may be manufactured by Samsung, Vivo, Oppo, or Apple company. All these companies are multinational companies. Then what we do after picking up the phone? Either we want to hear some religious song, or we may check our WhatsApp or Facebook. WhatsApp and Facebook also belong to multinational companies. If we want to hear some religious song, we will go to Google search, Bing, or Yahoo search. All these services are also provided by MNCs. If we want to purchase some product, we may go to the site of Amazon, eBay, Walmart, or any other site. All these sites also belong to multinational companies. It is not that domestic companies are not providing or manufacturing the products like mobiles or providing search engines, but most of the services, especially the technologically advanced features, are provided by MNCs. We will now discuss the correct meaning of MNC. MNC stands for multinational corporation, or multinational company, or international enterprise, global corporation. In our daily life, we come across products which are produced by MNCs. In last more than 2 decades, MNCs have played an important role in the Indian economy. MNCs have become a common feature of most developing economies in the world. MNCs are very big, gigantic corporations which have their operations in a number of countries. A multinational corporation is usually a large corporation incorporated in one country called the home country, which produces or sells goods or services in many other countries. These other countries are called host countries in addition to the home country. It means that a multinational company usually has headquarters in its home country, and it sells its products and services not only in the home country but also in many other countries of the world, and these other countries of the world are known as host countries. MNCs produce and customize products for individual countries. What is the aim of multinational company? The aim of multinational company is profit maximization and market maximization. These are the two main aims: to grab market share as well as profit maximization rather than welfare maximization. Now we come to the example of multinational company. An example of multinational corporation is Unilever, a consumer goods company which has its headquarters in London. Its products include many foods as well as tea, coffee, cleaning agents, pet foods, cosmetics. Unilever's products are sold in 190 countries of the world. Some examples, other examples of MNCs are Bata, Cadbury, Coca-Cola, Sony Corporation, ABB, and Colgate Palmolive. Though we are giving the names of few companies, there are many other MNCs also in the world who are performing also better. Now, these are the questions for practice. What are the various names by which MNCs are known? We have already told you that MNCs are known by different names such as global enterprise, multinational companies, multinational corporations. What is meant by home country? Where the MNCs have their headquarter. What is meant by the host country? It has its operations in many other countries except the home country, and those countries where it has its operations other than the home country are known as host country. A multinational company aims at profit maximization or welfare maximization. Comment. As already told, a multinational company has aim of market maximization and profit maximization, and the welfare maximization is not on the front list, though MNCs also do take steps for the welfare of the public in host as well as in home country, but their main aim is profit and market maximization. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.